Okay, what you're looking at is exercise 513 from the textbook. And it looks kind of complicated, but really it's pretty straightforward. It asks you to do two things. One is to put an X beside any account where the account balance, not the account, but the account balance would not appear on the post-closing trial balance. The thing about the post-closing trial balance is all the closing entries will have been made by that point. So the only trick really to doing that question is to decide which accounts are going to change as a result of closing entries. And we can remember that closing entries, using the acronym REID, they affect revenues, expenses, the income summary account, and drawings or owner's withdrawals. So the account balances that are listed up the side here, the ones that would not appear on the post-closing trial balance would be those that are the revenues and expenses, of course, but also the owner's withdrawals and capital, because they'll be affected by closing entries. So that doesn't make that a particularly tricky problem once you figure that out. The second part of the problem is to calculate the post-closing balance in the owner's capital account. And remember, the closing entries basically figure out the net income and add that to the owner's capital account, or if it's a loss, subtract it off, and subtracts the drawings out of owner's capital. So with these accounts you should be able to figure out the net income, being the revenues minus the expenses, and the drawings account gets subtracted off capital, and so that makes that a fairly straightforward problem. Solutions posted, of course, and you can double check your work, but that's the only trick really to doing that problem.